The number one question I get, yes, this is my natural hair color, but the second biggest question, how much does it cost to actually run a radio station for 30 days with an AI DJ behind the mic? Well, I am crunching those numbers so you don't have to. And not only that, we're gonna spice things up again. This is a big time bonus. I am gonna pit some of my brand new Gemini voices because I've been deep in the labs working hard to even make these sound more authentic, more real. But at the end of the day, it's your ear holes that matter. So I am gonna pit some of these brand new Gemini voices against some ElevenLabs favorites and let you decide. Wow, that's a lot for one video, and honestly, I should be charging you, but YouTube won't let me, so you're welcome.
We are on the air.
I'm Jeff, the radio DJ dude. I didn't even bother shaving today because I needed to get you this info stat. Plus, honestly, I mean, look at my numbers. I have 0.2% of females tuned in. So come on, you think I'm really looking to impress you 65-year-old pot-bellied retired DJ dude? No, I love that you're there, but come on. You're here for the info. So I'm in a nutty mood today, just a little pissy. Anyway, I've been toiling late at night in the Gemini voice labs to even squeeze more authenticity out of these voices. You already know what I feel about Gemini. I think if you prompt them right, if you kind of smear enough of the right secret sauce on them, they will blow away most of ElevenLabs voices. And I know those are fighting words, but I'm gonna back them up today with audio proof. But first, let me at least let you put your ear holes on some of my brand new output, because I keep refining my AI personality framework, and I think I'm getting closer, really achieving some reliable and authentic sound from Gemini. So up first, this is Lexi, our friendly, SoCal vibing afternoon jock.
All right, into the weekend we go. I'm Lexi, and it is gorgeous outside today, so I was cruising down Ventura Boulevard earlier, and I swear, literally every single car had their windows down. Just blasting this next band. Honestly, I'm kind of kicking myself because I didn't snag tickets for their show at the Palladium tonight. But we've got the next best thing right here, the Go-Go's on XXX 80s.
I played that for a number of radio pros, and they're like, holy what? Like I said, we are getting closer to really dialing in the usability factor of Gemini for online radio and for real radio. But what we want to focus on now is ElevenLabs. Yes, I do have one other, what I think is a solid example out of Gemini. It's a yacht rock DJ. We're going to get to that right after we go pit some of these ElevenLabs voices up against what you just heard. Up first, everybody's favorite sassy Brit, Rachel M.
All right, into the weekend we go. I'm Lexi, and it is gorgeous outside today. I was cruising down Ventura Boulevard earlier, and I swear, literally every single car had their windows down, just blasting this next band. Honestly, I'm kind of kicking myself because I didn't snag tickets for their show at the Palladium tonight. But we've got the next best thing right here, the Go-Go's on XXX 80s.
To be clear, I am cherry picking some of the better ElevenLabs voices for radio use. Not all of them are, but these are user favorites. Next up is Jerry B.
All right, into the weekend we go. I'm Lexi, and it is gorgeous outside today. I was cruising down Ventura Boulevard earlier, and I swear, literally every single car had their windows down, just blasting this next band. Honestly, I'm kind of kicking myself because I didn't snag tickets for their show at the Palladium tonight, but we've got the next best thing right here, the Go-Go's on XXX 80s.
Next up is Tyler Cruz. This guy is a real DJ and just an awesome guy.
All right, into the weekend we go. I'm Lexi, and it is gorgeous outside today. I was cruising down Ventura Boulevard earlier, and I swear, literally every single car had their windows down, just blasting this next band. Honestly, I'm kind of kicking myself because I didn't snag tickets for their show at the Palladium tonight, but we've got the next best thing right here, the Go-Go's on XXX 80s.
Now, a voice I had never heard before and I was kind of impressed with. This is Sarah.
All right, into the weekend we go. I'm Lexi, and it is gorgeous outside today. I was cruising down Ventura Boulevard earlier, and I swear, literally every single car had their windows down, just blasting this next band. Honestly, I'm kind of kicking myself because I didn't snag tickets for their show at the Palladium tonight, but we've got the next best thing right here, the Go-Go's on Triple X 80s.
And keep in mind, and this will be the second part of this video, costs. I mean, come on, ElevenLabs is significantly more expensive. So don't forget that when you're listening to the output, and you may think, yeah, that's pretty good, ElevenLabs, but for so much cheaper, you could grab Gemini's sound. Anyway, I have a full breakdown coming up, but first, I want to get to the second fine-tuned Gemini voice that I have for you. This is, I guess, what we can call a yacht rock style DJ. Take a listen.
Man, if you can get outside right now, I highly recommend it. The weather is absolutely perfect. We are officially crossing over into the golden hour, my personal favorite time of the day. So whatever stressed you out this week, just let it go. We're keeping it nice and easy from here on out. Grab something cold to drink and let's unwind. Here is Steely Dan on the yacht.
Now we're going to copy that same script and pop back over to ElevenLabs and cue that up for 4 or 5 of what I feel are ElevenLabs' strongest contenders. Let's go. Kicking off this round is Kirk.
Man, if you can get outside right now, I highly recommend it. The weather is absolutely perfect. We are officially crossing over into the golden hour, my personal favorite time of the day. So whatever stressed you out this week, just let it go. We're keeping it nice and easy from here on out. Grab something cold to drink and let's unwind. Here is Steely Dan on the yacht.
Next up, another radio favorite, David Hertel.
Man, if you can get outside right now, I highly recommend it. The weather is absolutely perfect. We are officially crossing over into the golden hour, my personal favorite time of the day. So whatever stressed you out this week, just let it go. We're keeping it nice and easy from here on out. Grab something cold to drink and let's unwind. Here's Steely Dan on the yacht.
We'll throw the mic back to Sarah.
Man, if you can get outside right now, I highly recommend it. The weather is absolutely perfect. We are officially crossing over into the golden hour, my personal favorite time of the day. So whatever stressed you out this week, just let it go. We're keeping it nice and easy from here on out. Grab something cold to drink and let's unwind. Here is Steely Dan on the yacht.
And finally, this specially tuned voice for radio, Drew.
Man, if you can get outside right now, I highly recommend it. The weather is absolutely perfect. We are officially crossing over into the golden hour, my personal favorite time of the day. So whatever stressed you out this week, just let it go. We're keeping it nice and easy from here on out. Grab something cold to drink and let's unwind. Here is Steely Dan on the yacht.
Well, Drew sounded great. Keep in mind there is a 20-cent surcharge, so it'll cost you even more to use his voice. With great restraint, I bit my lip for that entire time. Come on, you have to admit that was impressive. I didn't give you my opinion. I didn't blab on to let you know what I really think, because it doesn't matter what I think. What did you think? I mean, leave it in the comments. Which voices did you prefer? I mean, and I gave you a lot to choose from on ElevenLabs side. I feel the Gemini voices were strong enough to stand alone, so I didn't have to play you 5 different cuts, because I know I am going to get similar output from a number of Gemini voices using my custom framework. And again, it's not just a voice style prompt, which I did a whole video. I have a free tool online right now. It's an AI assistant where you just describe the radio voice you're going after, then it will magically put together a style prompt that'll get you closer to the sound that you're looking for with Gemini. But that's really only part 1 of the process to get this really authentic sound out of Gemini. Part 2 is embedding the right acting cues in your scripts that match the desired personality of your AI jock. And that's a whole nother prompt. But when you marry the two, that's when you get the kind of output that I just played for you. But that's a topic of a future video, because I am working on creating a whole stable of really top-notch, authentic sounding Gemini voices that you can just plug and play on your radio station. And oh my goodness, wait until you hear the fun that I've been having creating not clones, but kind of in the style of tribute voices that match Wolfman Jack, Delilah, even Casey Kasem. Oh, come on, that's not right to tease you like that. I will give you a little snippet of this Wolfman Jack. Not clone, and keep in mind, I know you're all saying, that doesn't sound anything like him. It's not meant to. It's in the style of. It's the same kind of personality, and it just gets us in the ballpark. And this definitely has a more urban sound, but just think about all the specialty use cases for an oldies show. I think this would be really cool.
I tell you, I had a little sauce before I got to the station tonight. But it sure is nice to be with you. Yes, it is. I tell you, it just gives the old Wolfman a chance to share a few laughs with you and get as close as I can to as many of you as I can, as often as I can. So this next record by Glenn Campbell's gonna do it for me, and I hope it does it for you. We gonna spend some southern nights right now.
Anyway, we will go so much deeper in a future video. Right now I'm up to 15, specially crafted voices that are really radio ready. But now the big question, take out your wallet, because it is going to get squeezed if you try to run ElevenLabs 24/7 on your radio station. So here's our scenario. We're assuming you are running an AI DJ every hour, maybe producing 5 minutes of audio per hour, 24 hours a day. That's 60 hours of audio a month. Diving into the budget tiers of both Gemini and ElevenLabs, here's what we come up with. So the big winner, Gemini, 78% cheaper, and that's the budget tier. Let's jump up to premium because we all like good sound. Here are the numbers, Gemini versus ElevenLabs, and yes, 71% cheaper. Keep in mind, these numbers reflect using these services 24/7. Most of you don't do that. This will give you a nitty-gritty breakdown of what it costs by the hour and by the day to use Gemini. So take that to your crypto piggy bank. 71% cheaper than ElevenLabs. That's what Gemini gets you. And using my framework, wow, it gets you right in to that radio ready zone. So keep that in mind. If you are coming up with an AI jock strategy for your radio station, because yes, a lot of people do email me and they're wondering, especially if they pick up RadioDJ, which is my AI radio automation system, then they wonder, yeah, we have to spend money on that software, but how much is all the other stuff going to set us back? The AI, the LLMs, the script writing services, and then you have the voice generation. Within RadioDJ, you could use both Gemini and ElevenLabs, and you can use them both at the same time. So maybe you do have a cloned ElevenLabs voice that you absolutely love. Maybe it's you. Well, you could use you, and then the rest of the day, you could use Gemini voices to save yourself some money. And yes, money will be saved. That's the entire point of this video. And if you actually want these infographics, if you want to share them with your team or frame them, they make a beautiful Mother's Day gift. Please check out the link in the description. I've got both of them for you right down there. And again, if you've stumbled across some really good, usable ElevenLabs voices, that's the key. I keep having to remind you, I'm talking about radio ready ElevenLabs voices. I mean, they have a ton of voices in their library, but I haven't found a lot that will check the box for our application. So if you know of some, come on, share it with the group. We're all here to support each other and make our stations sound as good as they can. But that doesn't always mean using an AI jock. No, I'm always here to tell you, if you have the time, the ability, and the gumption to rock your own mic, you should. Use human DJs on your radio station whenever possible. Now, it's not possible for you to track 24/7. No one expects that, and probably nobody wants to hear that. So lean on AI jocks, I say in a limited capacity, but try to first pump up the human voices, because that's the connection that will be so much more appreciated by your audience, to actually hear a human voice, even if it is voice track. I think that's definitely the way to go. And you know what? There's so many people, I think, out there probably watching this video who maybe don't have their own station because they don't want to take on those expenses and those hassles, but they do have the love to rock a mic. So why not? Contact me if that is you. If you just want to do your thing, fly your creative freak flag, and just be a radio DJ without all the overhead and the nonsense that goes into creating and maintaining an online station, well, I know there's enough station owners out there who are really hungry for talent. And let's hook you up. That should be the goal here. Let's get more humans on the air and not rely 100% on the AI voices. I know it's very alluring, it's very exciting when you type words on your keyboard, then you hear them on the air, but come on. Is that why any of us really got into radio? To type words into the mouths of robots? Hell no! We got into this medium back in the day to express our own nutty ideas, to, be as creative as we could on the mic, to feel that rush, that energy. Now, granted, a lot of that is so long gone. I mean, most of that energy came from the live mic, hitting the mic, seeing the big red on-air light flash. That was all part of it. But you could still keep some of that alive with voice tracking. And 90% of new people to radio, they will never have that live experience to compare, anything to. So voice tracking's all you got. Lean in, have fun, bring passion, bring something interesting to say to the mix. And that is what's going to make the biggest difference in all of our stations. So reach out to me if you're interested, and we'll just start connecting people. I think that is the least we can do for each other. Oh my goodness, I'm so freaking tired of talking. Let's end it right here. Okay, so if you got any value out of this, oh please, you know what to do. You've watched a YouTube video before. Share a like and a subscribe with me, and I'll be forever in your debt. I may even call my lawyer and change my will right now. Thank you so much. I'm Jeff, the radio DJ dude, and you keep rocking those mics all over the frickin' world. I mean, come on, rock them already. Thank you.